Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Gmail account. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. From there, click on this profile icon in the top right corner. From there, you'll get the option to manage your Google account. Click into that. After clicking there, you'll get the option of data and privacy. Click into that and scroll down. After scrolling all the way down, you'll get this Make a Plan for Your Digital Legacy and Delete Your Google Account option in the More options. You just simply have to click into this Delete Your Google Account option down here. And then it will lead you to this tab where it says deleting a Google account will delete your Gmail, Calendar, and Play Store, and all the linked apps. You just simply have to tick these two boxes down here and click Delete Account in the bottom right corner. After doing that, your Gmail account will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.